This 1968 Ford Fairlane 500 is a classic beauty with a red exterior and automatic transmission. Driven 9,999 miles, it runs and drives but needs a carburetor rebuild and some floor work. Despite minor issues, it offers solid potential for restoration and is perfect for someone looking for a classic muscle car project. Presenting the 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe, a timeless classic with a green exterior and black interior. Driven 12,345 miles, this car features a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. While not a showpiece, it's a great candidate for cruising or car shows with some TLC. A great opportunity for Mustang enthusiasts to own a piece of automotive history. Introducing the 1962 Ford Ranchero, an off-white classic with a blue interior, driven 41,850 miles. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder engine and is in good running condition. With a clean history and no significant damage, this Ranchero is ready for a new owner to restore or enjoy as a unique piece of automotive Americana. For sale is a 1955 Dodge project car, a blank canvas for restoration enthusiasts. This car is being sold without a title, engine, or transmission, making it a perfect base for a custom build. Its black exterior and yellow interior provide a striking contrast, and the body is in good condition. This is an excellent opportunity for someone looking to start a project from the ground up. Here is the 1955 Dodge Royale, a pink classic powered by a HEMI V8 engine and featuring a manual transmission. This car runs and drives, with many new parts, including a 12-volt system, new tires, a new fuel tank and lines, and updated brakes. With minimal rust and a clear history, this car is an excellent restoration project with lots of potential. Perfect for someone who appreciates vintage Dodge engineering. Introducing the 1955 Packard Clipper, a classic sedan with timeless appeal. This vintage beauty features a flathead 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. With 844,036 miles on the odometer, it comes in a striking white exterior paired with a green interior. While the car requires some work to restore its former glory, its solid foundation makes it an excellent project for classic car enthusiasts. Whether you're drawn to its history or the potential to bring it back to life, this Packard Clipper is ready for its next chapter. Next up is the 1956 Packard Patrician, a super rare model featuring a manual transmission, making it a unique find. This family-friendly cruiser showcases a white exterior with a blue interior and has been driven 1,000 miles. With excellent brakes, smooth performance, and tires that hold great tread despite minor sidewall cracking, this car is a true gem for someone seeking an authentic classic. Its patina adds character, and while it's not a showpiece yet, it offers a fantastic base for further enhancement. This 1958 Cadillac DeVille sedan 4D is a stunning example of mid-century American luxury. With 85,000 miles on the clock, The vehicle features a sleek black exterior and an automatic transmission. It runs but requires trailering for transport as it needs some work before hitting the road. The car has no significant damage or issues, making it an ideal candidate for restoration. If you're looking to own a piece of automotive history, this Cadillac offers a promising opportunity. Here is the 1960 Ford F250, a rugged project truck with a custom cab and long bed. This classic pickup is powered by an 80s 460 Ci engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and the original rear end. The gray exterior and white interior highlight its vintage charm. The body is in good condition with minimal rust, and the bed floor is remarkably well preserved. All glass is intact, and the doors close firmly. This truck is an excellent base for restoration or customization. Introducing the 1962 Studebaker Gran Turismo Hawk, a classic project car ready for restoration. This sleek red coupe features an automatic transmission and has been driven 1,111 miles. The engine starts up reliably, but the interior and tires need attention. The body is in good shape, making it a solid starting point for enthusiasts looking to bring this unique vehicle back to its prime. Whether for restoration or customization, this Studebaker is a rare find. This 1963 Chevrolet Corvair is a vintage classic featuring a 140 horsepower motor from a 1968 Corvair. With dual Weber carburetors and numerous upgrades, this 4-speed manual car drives and sounds excellent. It has 65,000 miles and a vibrant red-on-red color combination. While it has some rust and a minor issue with the rear window zipper, it remains in good condition overall. Located in West Wichita, Kansas, this Corvair is a fantastic opportunity for those looking to own a piece of automotive innovation. Next is the 1963 Dodge Dart, a compact project car with great potential. Driven only 27,000 miles, this Dart features a white exterior with a red interior and an automatic transmission. Although it needs work to restore its functionality, it comes with most of the parts needed for a 318 V8 engine swap, minus the engine. With a clean title and a solid foundation, this Dodge Dart is perfect for enthusiasts looking for a rewarding project. This 1963 Mercury Monterey Turnpike Cruiser is a complete classic ready for restoration. With 100,000 miles, a black exterior, and a matching black interior, this car exudes vintage elegance. The vehicle appears solid, making it an excellent candidate for a restoration project. If you're seeking a timeless cruiser to bring back to life, this Monterey is an exciting opportunity. Here is the 1963 Plymouth Fury, a mostly original classic featuring a 318 poly V8 engine with a push-button automatic transmission. With 100,000 miles, the car runs and drives well, offering good brakes and solid performance. The green exterior and black interior complement its vintage aesthetic. While it's not a show car, it still looks great and is ready for someone to continue its legacy. This Fury is perfect for those looking for a reliable classic with charm. Introducing the 1964 Buick Wildcat, a hardtop coupe powered by a 425 CI nailhead engine. With 80,000 miles, this car features a white-on-white color scheme and an automatic transmission. The chassis includes finned disc brakes, adding a modern touch to its classic design. While the interior is in decent condition, the car comes with a bill of sale and is a fantastic project for those who appreciate the power and elegance of Buick's golden era.